There are hundreds of text to image generator on the internet today. But this kind of images you will be able to generate only with this website, because this AI tool is very, very unique. They generate the image like very fairy tale like, and this is like dream. You will love to see all these images. So come to this website. I have given the link in the description. After logged in, this kind of interface will come. Click on generate, give the prompt, customize it. What kind of image you want, fantasy, stable, realistic, whatever kind of, choose the size, just customize it, quality, and all these things. Generate, see the image. They have generated 16K images in high quality, and you will never get this kind of images. This is a dream image generator. So just try it. You will love it. This is so fascinating. So I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thank you guys. Have a good day. All the best.